Hi, my name is Arya. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to present my business and engineer proposal for Teral AI, a smart on-demand kitchen waste companion designed specifically for high model density urban space. Sustainable living is a no longer localized choice, it's a critical global requirement. In this presentation, I'm going to walk you through to the core of social challenge to our society face regarding household organic waste, introduce our physical and software product, and detail our commercial business model and how this project will venture and scale in the next 5 years. Let's us step into a loop of waste transformation. Okay, let's look at the underlying issue. The food waste problem in a modern apartment is massive paradox. In the one side, we have severe environmental damage. Million and a ton of food scrap are wrapped in plastic bags and dumped into collectively city landfill daily. As this organic material rots in ionobiacally, it generates massive amount of methane gas, which is 25 more potent than in the carbon dioxide in trapping atmospheric heat. On the other hand, our urban environments are growing increasingly dense. High-rise apartment dwellers simply do not have backyard, soil bed, or open air space. Traditional composting bin highly impractical. They smell bad, attract bugs, and require continuous turning and occupy valuable space. Thus, urbanites are forced to simply throw their organic waste into the standard garbage can. It's a critical social environment friction point. There is an urgent need for instant, elegant, odor-free solution. This brings us directly to our solution, Teral PI. Teraloop is Teraloop is not just trash container, it beautifully engineered smart kitchen and applicable design to sit elegantly in on modern countertop. It's use advanced multi-point sensor and high performance mechanical parts to process domestic organic waste at the point of the origin. By utilizing control internal heat, the industrial crushing teeth, and the modern activated charcoal filters, this device successfully grinds, sterilizes, and fully dehydrates leftovers into a clean, odorless, and dry prebiotic amendment to what used to be wet. A smelly garbage is converted into stable soil nutrient in less than 4 hours, requiring zero chemical and additive and zero daily hassle. So how the cycle works, let me quickly examine the simple engineering science taking place inside of TerraLoop chamber during typical 4-hour cycle. The first one is the grind. Once closed and activated, internal IoT sensor automatically weight and scrap from calibrate blade and speed safely shred everything from to celery fibers to small chicken bones. Phase 2, thermodehydration. The chamber heats precisely 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of heat pasture the good food, completely neutralizing pathogen with seed, mold spores, and pulling monsters away. Finally, in phase 3, we have execute the organic cure. Towards at the end of the cooling cycle, we specialize prebiotic starter with which we called a TerraLab, automatically activate enriching output to ensure the final product is filled with healthy, balanced soil supporting biological compound. Our market research indicates a clear target landscape. High density of urban apartment tenants represent our primary segment 45%. These are eco-conscious professionals who want their part but lack space. Home gardening hobbies make up another 30% of our market. They perfectly benefit from homegrown soil nutrient, and small boutique, cafe, and coffee space represent 15% of looking for a zero active waste certification. So why do they choose TerraLoop? Because of four core advantage. The first one is 90% trust mass reduction. Second, we guarantee 100% odor-free action via dual carbon filter. Third, we operate below 38 decibels, making the device quieter than a quiet home library. The fourth is we integrate with a mobile app that allows users to actively track their individual carbon offsets, converting into a daily cosmetic tax into a verifiable environmental metrics. To ensure financial viability, TerraLoop implement a structure hardware plus subscription business model. Our TerraLoop starter model is priced at $349. Catering apartment renters TerraLoop Pro is priced at $499, featuring a larger capacity for passionate gardeners and small office. Furthermore, we secure recurring revenue through our Loop Circle subscription, which delivers charcoals and filter TerraLabs directly into our user doors for 15 a month. Our road to commercial launch is structured in Q1. We kick off a beta testing phase with 100 domestic homes. In Q2, we utilize a global crowdfunding campaign. We secure validation and pre-orders. By Q3, we launch directly to our customer portal, and in Q4, we establish a retail footprint in high-end lifestyle appliance and boutique store. Our good metrics are strictly on carbon impacts and unique sales by year. By year 5, our projected cumulative carbon offsets exceed 60 million tons of carbon prevented from entering our shared atmosphere. To wrap up, TerraLoop AI resolved the urban food waste conflict by turning a heavy, modern problem into a localized enrichment. Thank you so much for your time and attention today, and open for talking any question and evaluation panel. And I welcome your feedback. Thank you.